we have Ibu Irene is always there, like the cheerleader for the groups and yes, and all that. So we are so grateful that Ambassador Susan have a time to be together with our community. Is there anything on this, friends? No? Tell me.
It's a little bit about the story about Gamelan, Pak.
Yes. So Master Pri is my co-chair.
It's like the gamelan that KPRI has right now is, we call it Palio Jati. It is gift from the Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono.
Oh.
And during the ceremony of handover at that time, I was present.
Was it 1988?
2015, I think. 2014.
Also,
At that time,
Hamengkubuwono, the current Hamengkubuwono.
Hamengkubuwono.
Oh, the current,
And
the
at that
10, the
yes,
10.
the 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then at that time, there's like a cultural mission from Yogyakarta to. He brought a lot of kind of the wayang and everything, and gamelan too. And then there's two set gamelan that given by a gift for Indonesian community here. And I still remember the pesan, Pak, yang saya ingat karena waktu saya datang ya. Dia pesan begini, please take care of this gamelan.
Okay.
And use it, gunakan sebaik-baiknya and rawat sebaik-baiknya.
Alright.
Jadi itu yang sangat
Yes.
in my jadi kita selalu berpikir, kemarin katanya kan gamelan mau KPRI mau di close down and kita bingung where they gonna play gamelan. And also but I always remember the pesan dari Sri Sultan, just rawat gamelan ini dengan sebaik-baiknya karena ini gift from me to Indonesian community and to embassy. So,
Nama gamelannya apa?
Palio Jati.
Palio
yang
Jati.
meaning
Palio
is,
Jati.
penjaga keaslian.
Oh,
Palio Jati
Palio
meaning is
Jati.
penjaga keaslian or the keeper of
Truth. Ah,
the keeper
genuine,
of
genuine, the truth.
genuine on the keeper or something like that. That's the meaning of Palio Jati. Pak Mur ya.
Iya.
Diserahkan dari Pak Sultan. Pelok sama
Gift dari Sri Sultan tahun 2014, Pak.
Oke.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you.
So this is doing all the tuning, doing cleaning, doing and all that. So we're so really wonderful. What else?
Sometimes
Ibu-
we malu, Pak, karena our friend from the Americans, they Rosli came from far. How many to come to Indonesia from your place to embassy? How many kilos? How many miles?
I don't know.
Like
1 or 2 hours, but we practice.
Okay.
And Pak Mur, 50 miles. Pak Mur and Bu Mur is always a practice.
practice. Kadang-kadang kita
Space, just the wonderful practice space that we have, but especially we get to rehearse with the gamelan.
Oh, okay.
Not every time, but many times we get to. And then for the performance, sometimes we have recorded music, but if it's Javanese, we can perform with the gamelan. And it's
okay.
amazing.
Yeah.
Difficult sometimes, but really amazing. Like the time when you had to run down and get the next performer, and I had to pretend I knew what I was doing, and the gamelan was playing for us until it was ready, right? That was a good one. But yeah, we cherish the opportunity to practice and
Thank
learn.
you.
And we learn from Moore and Pat Moore dance as well.
Classical.
So,
Thank you, Bu Claire.
it's a privilege.
My friends, all the gamelan lovers, also honored. Nining and I are very honored this evening. Not only owned by the Japanese, not only owned by the Indonesian, but in 2007, it's been a UNESCO World Heritage.
That's right.
Assessment, how many gamelan units are there in the US? It's around 300 set of gamelan in 100 universities.
this Japanese or other
All gamelan.
all
Oh,
gamelan.
gamelan.
So I report the promotion of culture of Indonesia to the US. We don't need to mobilize something from Indonesia, but let us use all the facilities already available, and hoping to have a big Indonesia culture at the US, in the whole US in 2027. But the preparation starting next month, right? 20 others, and also we plan, in
Smithsonian.
this year, the Indonesia Pavilion received an award. It's one of the best pavilion. The nice thing is, they have a collection of topeng, apa topeng ya?
Mas.
Mask from all over Indonesia. So I seek, because this is managed by the Ministry of Bappenas, National Development Planning, borrow those collections of the Osaka Expo that we plan to organize like a moving exhibition, right?
Wow.
In various museum. There's the dagger and also textile. For example, I'm the one who thanks to you. Okay. And